Ducrane air conditioner. Here's the vent, and you can hear the compressor in here. Here's what it looks like above. The laser escape. And here's that's where it gets the moisture, it's the heat pump, and that's where the gas is. This little cord is for the air conditioner, and this bigger cord is for the furnace. And this is where the motor is. And I'm going to show you something over here. This used to be on. That's the fan. It's an and I'll show you there's just a high efficiency air conditioner over here. See, that's the high efficiency. And over here, I'll show you. Right over here is my Lennox air conditioner. It's in Lennox LCS. This air conditioner video I'm taking, 3 of these are not mine. That one I just showed you, that was mine. I just have to crawl around this tree, this bush. Here it is.